In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to delete your Facebook account. Facebook lets you delete or even deactivate your account if you don't need it. Now in this video, we're gonna take a look at how do you delete it permanently. So what you do is first let's head over to the app of Facebook, and from the home screen, you just tap on the three lines on the top right. From here, you just scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. A drop down menu will open up. You'll again tap on settings. Now from the setting page of your Facebook, you'll see a section of account, and under account you'll see access and control, which is the last option, and you just tap on deactivation and deletion. Now as I said earlier, you can do both. If you want to temporarily delete it, you can deactivate your account, but if you want permanent deletion, you can tap on the second option, which is delete account. Select the second option and tap on continue to account deletion. Here you can also select a reason for deleting your account, but if you don't want, you can tap on continue to account deletion. Now on the top, you can see it says a message which says once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to deactivate your account. So make sure you keep that in mind, and you're going to see all of the things that are going to be deleted. Now if you want to download your data before you delete it, you can also do that. You can tap on this download information. You can also transfer any of the data and retrieve it. Once you check all of these and download your data, you tap on delete account. Now the last thing you need to do is just enter in the password of your Facebook account and then just tap on continue. And once you do that, your account of Facebook will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to reactivate or retrieve any of your data. So that's the way you delete your Facebook account. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.